Later today, I'm going to Zagreb to go get my teeth checked up. About 4 years ago, I went to Zagreb to get my teeth all made perfect, and they did an amazing job, but I just need to go back and get a checkup to make sure everything's fine. It's like a Formula 1 pit stop. Probably going to go to a couple of museums because they've got lots of those there, and it's a nice city. It's not quite as nice as being on Malta, but it's still nice. And what else? Oh yeah, I was going to say, I'm fascinated by how you found this channel. If you could write a little note in the bottom saying how you came across this thing, I'd really appreciate it. Sorry this one's not about sailing or boating or anything to do with boating, but there will be another one about boating very, very soon. And so thanks for watching. If you care to check out my Patreon thing, there's a link below. That Patreon thing doesn't pay for me to live on a boat. It's just a little bit of an incentive to make me make these episodes, and pays for the cameras that I occasionally lose. I almost lost one. Oh, I almost dropped it right down there the other day, but I grabbed it just in time. So anyway, hopefully I don't lose any cameras. We're all good. Just waking up in this funny little Airbnb place. It's very purple. You can't see out that window. Yeah, it's looking towards the clinic. I'll probably just get a bus or train, whatever. Nice little place. Bed's a little bit hard. I don't know why these places have such hard beds. I like a big soft bed because I'm big and soft. So from a purple room to a very red elevator. Don't know where the hell I am. Let me just Google things. And my room was that one up there. Okay, I think I know where we're going. I'm not very good at Croatian pronunciations either. Lots of J's and C's and V's. It's quite a colourful language to listen to, but hey. I can be such an idiot. I was doing a this time lapse, and when I got up to leave the bar, I completely forgot about the camera. So I get all the way into Zagreb, which is like 10k that way, and I'm like, where's my camera? Oh! You would think that you'd be able to get something to eat, but you can't. I've been to 2 coffee shops and 2 bars that both look like they had food for sale, or should have. And you go in and you go, do you have any food? No. It's just a bunch of people sitting in there drinking and smoking cigarettes. Hey. Zagreb reminds me a little bit of Moscow. It's got that sort of Soviet sort of look to it, but it's also a little bit more colorful than Moscow. Moscow is very gray. and everything about that place is grey. The architecture is amazing, and the underground system is fantastic, but it's grey. It's very, very grey. Whereas things are quite colourful here, not on this street, but just the houses and a lot of the buildings have a bit more colour to them. It has a very good public transportation system that's managed to get me around so quickly that I'm kind of like ahead of schedule. And you notice that a lot of the shops here are kind of like small friendly little shops. They're not all like big chain stores. There's a lot of little independent shops everywhere.
I svaki pogled i šala možda I nije zaslo. Svatko dođe na to, u stvari pravila nema. I jedan slučajan susret može promijeniti sve. I sve što sanjaš, čemu se nadaš, na kraju možda I nije tvoj san. Sve dođe na svoje, jedino to je sigurno znam.
Whenever you go to like a contemporary museum, it just means there's going to be a lot of flickery Super 8 videos of people doing strange things to each other. It's kind of amusing, but it's good. I mean, it's an impressive building, and there's lots of space inside. There must be like 100,000 square foot in there, so it was good. I mean, it's a nice place, and you go on and it goes on and on and on and on. It's big. But now it is time to return to my boat, which I am really looking forward to. I mean, I've only been away 2 freaking days, which is nothing, but it's just been really nice to get back. I don't know. I'm pathetic. And another good thing is the Bolt application, which I use in Malta to get around, works here as well. They're an Estonian company and they're really good. It's like 20% cheaper than Uber, and they're just everywhere now. I'm not sure my taxi driver knew quite where he was going. He kept on talking to me in Croatian and dropped me a little way back there, but we're getting close to it. Hi. It's funny, when I came through the gate from Malta to here, I had a cold beer in my backpack because I wanted a cold beer when I got to the airport, but I forgot to drink it. So it went through the little x-ray machine, it got kicked out, and I said, oh yeah, there's a beer in there, and she goes, oh, that's no problem. She looks at it, she shakes it, and then she gives it to me and she goes, enjoy. I forgot what an impressive airport this is. It's quite new, but it's way bigger than most airports for a lot of places I've been to. And they're super efficient. You get through this place in no time at all.